Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the history about post-war economic reconstruction, West Germany's economic miracle, 1948 to 1960s. Imagine a country completely flattened, cities reduced to rubble, millions of people homeless, an entire economy in ruins. This was Germany in 1945. It's hard to even picture a path forward from such total devastation. Yet, in just a few short years, something incredible happened. This same nation rose from the ashes to become one of the world's leading economic powerhouses. This isn't a fairy tale. It's the story of the Wirtschaftswunder, the West German economic miracle. How did they do it? Let's rewind the clock and find out. After World War II, Germany was divided. The western part, controlled by the Allied powers, became West Germany. The situation was dire. The old currency, the Reichsmark, was practically worthless. People resorted to bartering on the black market just to survive. A pack of cigarettes was more valuable than a pocketful of cash. The industrial heartland was silent, its factories destroyed or dismantled. It seemed like recovery would take generations. But a group of visionary leaders had a different idea. The turning point came in 1948. The man of the hour was Ludwig Erhard, who would later become chancellor. Erhard was a firm believer in what he called the social market economy. It's a bit of a mouthful, but the idea is simple. Combine free market capitalism with a strong social safety net. He believed that if you let businesses and individuals compete freely, but also made sure no one was left behind, the economy would flourish. This was a radical idea at a time when many favored heavy state control. The first major step was currency reform. On June 20th, 1948, the worthless Reichsmark was replaced overnight by the new Deutschmark. Suddenly, money had value again. This one move wiped out the black market and restored confidence. People started saving, and businesses started investing. But Erhard didn't stop there. He also drastically slashed regulations and price controls. Against the advice of the Allied military governors, he deregulated the economy, famously saying, "The only ration coupon is the Deutschmark." He trusted the market to set prices and allocate resources efficiently. But West Germany didn't do it alone. Another crucial ingredient was the Marshall Plan. This American aid program pumped billions of dollars into rebuilding war-torn Europe. While the direct financial amount for Germany wasn't as huge as for other countries, it was psychologically vital. It provided the seed money for industries to rebuild factories, buy new machinery, and start producing again. It was a vote of confidence in Germany's future. And then there were the people. German society at the time was characterized by an incredible work ethic and a desire to rebuild their lives and their country. Workers and unions agreed to moderate wage demands in exchange for investment in new technology and jobs. This spirit of cooperation, known as social partnership, prevented disruptive strikes and allowed businesses to reinvest their profits, creating a virtuous cycle of growth. Companies like Volkswagen, Siemens, and Bayer roared back to life, their products soon becoming synonymous with quality and reliability worldwide. The Made in Germany label once again became a mark of excellence. The results were staggering. From 1950 to 1960, West Germany's economy grew at an average of 8% per year. Unemployment plummeted from over 10% to less than 1%. The bombed-out cities were rebuilt, filled with new apartments, shops, and offices. The iconic VW Beetle became a symbol of this newfound prosperity, putting the dream of car ownership within reach for the average family. By the early 1960s, West Germany had not only recovered, but had surpassed its pre-war economic strength. It was a true miracle. The Wirtschaftswunder is more than just a historical event. It's a powerful lesson. It shows that with the right policies, international cooperation, and a shared sense of purpose, even the most catastrophic situations can be turned around. It's a testament to the power of human resilience and the potential for a fresh start. The combination of market freedom, social responsibility, and sheer hard work created a blueprint for success that countries still study today. So the next time you see a high-performance German car or use a precision-engineered German appliance, Remember the story behind it. It's a story of rising from the rubble, of a nation that rebuilt itself against all odds, creating a period of prosperity that truly earned the name Miracle. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into history. Let me know in the comments what other historical events you'd like to see covered. See you in the next video.